What if you could eliminate creative block, automate repetitive tasks, and still produce better results faster than ever? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring a powerful tool that's changing the way creatives work, Arcad AI, and trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. Let's be real for a moment. Every creative, whether you're a designer, content creator, or developer, faces the same challenges. You open your laptop, ready to create something amazing, but instead, you're stuck, no ideas, no inspiration, just a blank screen. And even when you do have ideas, you spend hours doing repetitive tasks, resizing images, creating variations, editing content. All of this takes time and energy. On top of that, tight deadlines and limited resources make things even more stressful, and slowly, your creativity starts to fade. This is exactly where Arcad AI steps in. Arcad AI is designed to simplify your entire creative process. It helps you automate repetitive tasks, generate fresh ideas instantly, and speed up your workflow like never before. Need captions for social media? It can generate them. Struggling with design ideas? It suggests layouts, styles, and color palettes. Want to stay on top of trends? It analyzes data and gives you smart insights to make better creative decisions. But what really makes Arcad AI stand out is its ability to learn. It studies your workflow, understands your preferences, and adapts to your style. So over time, it doesn't just assist you, it evolves with you. It's like having a smart creative partner. Available 24/7. Let's imagine a real scenario. You're working on a project with a tight deadline. You need multiple design variations, but you don't have enough time. Normally, this would take hours. But with Arcad AI, you simply enter your requirements, and within seconds, it generates multiple creative options for you. Now instead of starting from scratch, you're choosing, refining, and finishing faster than ever. The result? More productivity, more creativity, and a lot less stress. So if you're serious about leveling up your creative workflow, Arcad AI is definitely worth exploring. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more AI tools and innovations.